Hi chaps, Joe Soap again. 2 days ago I showed these little discs I'd made using a punch for make a little swirl pattern used on a dremel tool. So buddy's turned up, can you make me some? I don't know. Yes, alright then. So right, let's see if we can't speed this up. So what I've done here, I've put the actual punch in the fly press. Had to grind the shaft a little bit for it to go in, but I haven't got a lot of tooling for the fly press and it gets used for everything but what it's meant to, and there you go. So this is a nice controlled way of doing it. I can limit how far the press comes down. It's a sledgehammer to catch and to smash a nut, I know, but it produces a good entry, a flat entry to the work. So I'm cutting up the disc like that, so perhaps I can zoom in a bit. Yeah. So, come round here. All I need to do is go like so. I make loads of them. So I'm proceeding away doing these. I thought, I wonder how many he wants. And I thought, well, I'm silly, aren't I? Instead of doing one sheet at a time, why not do a dozen sheets? And every pull of the handle is times 12. Anyway, let's put that up. Push my finger up there. Well, you can see how many I've made. Brilliant! So now all I've got to do is cut off the double-sided sticky and stick it on there. Wrong! Suddenly occurred to me, what a plonker! Why don't you put the sticky on first? So I thought, quick change system, let's have velcro. So I got some velcro tape, stuck it on a piece of paper, and of course you can use up all your scraps. So now same procedure, only this time I haven't got to line up the velcro pad. It's already done so. Well, I'll just finish this off while I'm about it. There. That'll do. Right. Push that up and go. Oh, we got quite a wad there. Well, that should keep him happy, shouldn't it? Oh, where's the camera gone? And they're all lined up perfectly. Nothing to peel off. I'll put the hook side of the velcro on the tool, and that'll show in a minute. I popped some plastic in the between centres in the lathe, half a dozen, and reduced them down to this diameter, just slightly larger than the disc. Put a small hole in for the bolt, put a slightly larger drill the other side so the head goes below the level of the plastic, so we can mount it on a little mandrel like that, and then using the hook side of the velcro, stuck it on the end there, and then we take one of our discs, that just simply drops on there like so. So we got a little sander. That works well. Then I put my attention to other tools that we could possibly make, and I got some sheets of wadding. I don't know what it was for, but I put them through the old punch, and they become little polishing mops. So I was pleased with those. So I thought, well, we can go on and on here. How about little grindstones, little grindy stones? Well, I got some old candles. Been in the workshop for a while. I never chuck anything away, and I've drilled them out, various size holes, and with cut the head off a nail and some resortional glue or epoxy or what have you. Fill up the holes you've made with grit and epoxy. Pop your nail in. You've got a mould to get the size you want, and you've automatically got a release agent. I think I'd better stop there, otherwise I can see matey and all his mates queuing up down the end of the road.